ظهر الفساد في البر والبحر بما كسبت أيدي الناس ليذيقهم بعد الذي عملوا لعلهم يرجعون. Corruption has appeared on land and sea because what the hand of people have earned. So he may let them taste what they have done. Perhaps they will return to righteousness. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you who is present here with us today. I am Amatun Nur Elma, speaking in strong support of the motion, climate change is the greatest threat in Bangladesh. Let me begin with one of the most clearest and most dangerous effects of climate changes, which is rising sea levels. Bangladesh is one of the most lowest lying countries in the world. With the vast delta regions and over 700 rivers, we are extremely vulnerable even to the smallest rise of sea levels. According to the Intergovernmental Panel of Climate Changes, global sea levels have been growing faster than we expected. But here in Bangladesh, we feel that impacts even more. The Daily Star has reported that coastal areas like Khulna, Borishal, Shatkhira, eccentric areas like that are suffering because they are losing land every year. The salt water is moving inland, destroying ponds and lakes, especially fresh water. Fields are getting infertile, and livable villages are turning into ghost towns. You may be surprised to know that up to 30 million people are going to be climate refugees due to permanent coastal flooding. These are not just number discussions we're talking about, but this is happening in real life. Behind us is thousands and thousands of human lives. Behind each number is a family, a child, our future lost to the waves. Imagine one day your school, your home, or whatever you say landed on underwater. Where would you go? What would you do? This is not some science fiction I'm talking about, but this is happening in real life. So, everything I say needs a proof, right? And without proof, how can you prove it? So, in the Holy Quran, Surah Nung 30, verses Nung 41, it is clearly mentioned that ظهر الفساد في البر والبحر بما كسبت أيدي الناس ليذيقهم بعد الذي عملوا لعلهم يرجعون. Corruption has appeared on land and sea because what the hand of people have earned. So he may let them taste what they have done. Perhaps they will return to righteousness. This verse reflects how human action contribute to environmental destruction, such as rising sea levels caused by climate changes. Thank you very much for listening to my part. Hope you can understand how climate change is the greatest threat from my fellow teammates, and I'll be glad to know that you'll be down to say that climate change is the greatest threat in Bangladesh. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum for today.
Thank you, Elma, for your powerful points and confident presentation.